Good morning, everyone. Class, this was the last topic that we did on our last class. So, class, let's continue. As you already know, that close is a keyword that is used to close your file that is already opened. So, there is some practical application. This is to open. This is to get the name of your opened file as the result is coming test.txt, and this is to close the file. Now you have closed this file. Now no more working can be done on this file. So here name, new thing is there, f.name. Name is the keyword. Okay. Now next is there are some more keyword like name, mode, close and readable. There are some more. It is to open, it is to see the mode, that is it is readable, writable, appendable, what it is, that is to know about it. And this is to closed, and next is the readable. So that's all, class. Now see some application. It's a practical working. Now file f is opened with the readable format. Now I want to know the name of it. Then I will write f dot name. I want to know the mode of it, f dot mode. I want to know the it is in readable format or not, so this. And it is closed, this, and closed. So class, what is the results coming? You can see that if we are writing f dot name, what is getting printed? Test dot txt, this. Now which mode it is? Readable mode. Now is it in a readable mode? Is file a readable mode? We want to check. Yes, true. So we will write f dot readable. It will give the boolean answer. F dot closed, we want to print. Closing is a different thing, and want to know whether it is closed or not is a different thing. So it is false. Now file is closed. Now what is the answer? True. Because before that file was not closed, so it was coming false. Now file is closed, so it is coming true. File is closed. Now class, reading from a file means to get a file data into your Python program for the purpose of editing, or for the purpose of reading, or for the purpose to calculate something or to get something. So for that, so there are different ways. Read, this will read whole file. Read n, this will read only the correct n characters. Read line by line. Read lines, all line but line by lines. So there is the practical application. Now you can see the first one. First one is read or read size. So in this class file object dot read we have to give, or file object dot size of size also we can give. Means first two part of, you can say, these two parts are explained together. Now you see the practical. This is a file, text file that you have made. Now you have opened. Now f dot read, if you are writing, where the data is saved, in data variable. One variable they have chosen as data. You can take xyz anything here. Now print x, if you will write, it will print whole whole file. That's the reading. And at last it is being closed. So that is the important thing to do to close your file. Now if I want to read the n character of it, this is my file. Now file is open, n character, data, again data they have taken as a variable. Now file is closed. Now when you will run this program, it will come the first 10 character of this file. These are the first 10 character. You calculate, it will come this only. If you will write 20, maybe it will come till working and all. So it is printing the first 10 character. Now read line is to read line by line. So file x is equals to file dot read line. Now print that, then it will print read the entire line, first complete line. We can run a for loop also, as you can see down. If you want to read a print line by line, then we can use this also. You have to do it practically, then only you will come to know. Now file is opened. If you do like this, line 1 read line, first line is read. So now if now you have printed this, now you want to read the second line, again write line 2 is equals to second line, line 3 is equals to again. So it is automatically, it will take the first line, this will take the second line, this will take, because one after the other read line command is written. So first line, second line, third line, fourth line, after this if it is there is fifth line also, then it will get printed. These are the just a printing statement, that you are reading a line and you are getting it printed. So class, till here you do practice, and I will send you the pics of these pages also. You go through it, and this can be done only in your laptop. In mobile, location cannot be detected, so it is quite difficult to do in mobile. So do in the laptop or PC. That's all class.